So here Krishna is saying, Vashamsi jirnani yata vihaya navani grihnati. Vashamsi means dress, and jirnani yata vihaya. If this becomes old and torn apart, then we throw that. And navani, nava means new. So navani grihnati, we take new dress. Tata sharirani vihaya jirnani. Similarly, when this body also becomes old and torn apart, then what happens? Anyani samyati navani dehi. Nava deha means new body this soul takes up. That is the point. So now the question is, are there any proofs for the existence of the soul? You are speaking so much about soul. In the Bhagavad Gita there are quotations, and in so many places we speak about soul, but are there any proofs to prove the existence of soul? So are there any proofs for the existence of the soul? Yes, you are speaking wonderfully about soul. Yes, we are getting some understanding about soul, but if you can give me some proofs, then it becomes easy for us to believe it. Okay, so let us discuss some proofs for the existence of God. Now the first proof, I'll give you 5 proofs. So let us discuss the first proof. So first proof I call it as common sense. And what is the common sense? The common sense is most uncommon nowadays. So the common sense is, I'll give you a situation. So what is the situation? Now there is a family, wife and husband and children. So husband is dead. Now wife is crying. Wife is crying, oh, my husband is dead, my husband is no more, my husband left me. Huh? What are you saying? My dear lady, just see in the image that your husband is right in front of you. No, 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 this is not my husband. Come on, this is your husband. No, my husband has left me. Where has he gone? No, he is nowhere. But what is this? This is his body. Oh, finally you got some realization. All these years you thought this is my husband. Now you are saying this is his body. Then where is he? He is gone. Interesting, right? So this is what we call as smashana vairagya. Meaning when somebody dies, when you go and see that person, at that time we get some knowledge, some realization. We call it a sakshatkar. Now in this common sense, even if you take in any language, they say the same thing. In English, the wife says, my husband left me. If you see in Hindi, मेरा पति मुझे छोड़ के चला गया. In Kannada, ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ. So in Telugu, వాడు ఎన్న విట్టు పోయాడు. In Tamil, అవైన విట్టు పోయిట. And in Malayalam, అవైన విట్టు పోయి. And if you want to know Marathi, माझा नवरा मला सोडून गेला. And you want to know what do they say in Russia? Oshan Ondal. You take any language, in every language they say the same thing. What is that? मेरा पति मुझे छोड़ के चला गया. ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ. He left me. No, he has not left you. He is there right in front of you. No, he is not my husband. My husband has left. That is his body. Hope you are getting my point. Even in simple language, in our simple common sense, we can understand that the body and soul are different. So now what happened to husband? Husband left, meaning the Atma has left the body, and what is there here is only the body. One time, this is a real story happened in my friend's house, that one time the wife was very, very attached to the husband. So the wife never allowed anybody else to talk to husband. She was so close, always wanted to be with husband. If husband was few hours late to come back home, she would become completely bewildered and she would panic. And she was so close, so attached to husband. And one day, by the will of providence, husband died. Husband died and wife is not able to stay with the husband. Immediately she started calling everyone, all the family members, friends, please, hello, are you there? Please come back immediately. And everyone are asking, what happened? No, my husband is dead. I can't stay with my husband. Come on. You like your husband, right? Yes. You love your husband, right? Yes, I love him. But why can't you stay with your husband? No, I can't stay. Why? Because he is no more. Are, he is there right in front of you. No, that is his dead body. That is not him. He has gone. So the lady who is so attached to the husband, she could not spend even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes with the body because the soul has left. So this is a very important point, that is, even with common sense we can understand the difference between the dead body and a living body. So let us discuss the continuation, the next proofs in the next episode. Thank you very much.